Check out this 2010 Toyota 4Runner. This is the set of wheels you've been looking for. With low miles, this automobile will take you far and get you where you want to go. With a reliable 6-cylinder engine that responds smoothly to its 5-speed automatic transmission, you will appreciate the safety feature of anti-lock brakes.
And with these notable features, you won't want to miss out on the opportunity to own this amazing ride.
Power door locks, power windows, power steering, cruise control, power mirrors, an AM/FM stereo with an MP3 player. And for your peace of mind, the following safety equipment is included: front ventilated disc brakes, passenger airbag, side airbag, curtain head airbags, stability control, daytime running lights. Call today to schedule a test drive.